In the previous video, we explored creative frame styles like film, paper, and blob frames. But today, we're focusing on one of the most eye-catching and highly customizable frame types inside Canva: letter and number frames. These are perfect if you want to create bold text effects using actual photos instead of plain fonts. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by setting up your design. Head over to canva.com and log in to your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create and choose Presentation so we have enough space to clearly see the effect. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left side panel and click on Elements. Then select the Frames category found here at the lower part of the Elements panel. Scroll down until you see letter frames right below retro frames. Here's the big difference. These are not regular text fonts. They are frames shaped like letters and numbers, which means you can drag photos or videos directly inside them. Click on a letter frame, for example the letter A, and place it on your slide. Now go to Photos and drag any image directly over the letter. Once you hover over it, the image will snap perfectly inside the shape of the letter. Release your mouse, and it's automatically masked into that form. To adjust the photo inside the letter, double-click on it. You can reposition the image, zoom in, or zoom out to control which part appears inside the frame. Click outside once you're satisfied to lock it in. You can resize the entire letter frame, duplicate it, and arrange multiple letters side by side to spell out words. This is perfect for creating names, titles, brand initials, or event themes using real images as texture. Now let's talk about number frames. You can find number frames just right below the letter frames. Click See All and choose any number you need. These work exactly the same way. Drag an image inside and it instantly transforms into a bold, photo-filled number. This is especially powerful for birthday designs, countdown slides, anniversary posts, pricing graphics, or year-based content like 2026 highlights. Instead of typing the year in a regular font, you can build it using number frames filled with relevant images for a more creative result. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand how to use letter and number frames inside Canva as a beginner. Once you start filling text shapes with images instead of using flat colors, your designs will instantly look more professional and visually engaging. If you want to continue learning more hidden Canva features that can upgrade your workflow, check out the next video, and let's keep mastering Canva step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.